Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Lightforblind. This video is about important question and answers relating the history of Pakistan from 1947 to present. Question: Pakistan became the declared nuclear state on. Answer is 28th May 1998. Question: The legal framework order which amended the Constitution of Pakistan unilaterally was issued by. Answer is Yahya Khan. Question: The country which supported the Pakistan movement before the emergence of Pakistan. Answer is none of these. Question: Durand line which divides the border of Pakistan and Afghanistan is as long as. Answer is 2252 kilometers. Question: Which mountain range is located between China and Pakistan? Answer is Great Himalayas. Question: Which were the aligned years in Pakistan foreign policy? Answer is 1954 to 1962. Question: In the Hindu Kush mountain range, all passes connect Pakistan with. Answer is Afghanistan. Question: The Hasni tribe is settled in. Answer is Western Balochistan. Question: Rachna and Bari Doab are considered. Answer is very thickly populated region. Question: In connection with land reform, the Punjab Tenancy Act was passed in. Answer is 1887. Question: Kala Bagh iron deposit are largest in Pakistan with estimated reserve of. Answer is 309 million tons. Question: Pakistan withdrew from CENTO in dash. Answer is 1979. Question: The 13 constitutional amendments scrapped which of the following articles of the Constitution? Answer is 58 2b. Question: After the general elections of 1993, which of the following parties came into power? Answer is PPP. Question: General Pervez Musharraf dissolved the government of Nawaz Sharif on dash. Answer is 12th October 1999. Question: Who of the following was the first female Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan? Answer is Fahmida Mirza. Question: The first general elections under Pervez Musharraf were held on dash. Answer is 10th October 2002. Question: General Pervez Musharraf took oath as President of Pakistan for his second term in office on. Answer is 16th November 2002. Question: When the Agra summit was held, in which Pervez Musharraf participated? Answer is 14th July 2001. Question: The presidential referendum of Pervez Musharraf was held on. Answer is 30th April 2002. Question: After the conduction of 9th general elections, who of the following became the Prime Minister of Pakistan? Answer is Yusuf Raza Gilani. Question: Name the first Chief Minister of Gilgit-Baltistan. Answer is Sayyid Mehdi Shah. Question: When Asif Ali Zardari took oath as President of Pakistan? Answer is 9th September 2008. Question: How many seats are reserved in Senate for the non-Muslims? Answer is 4. Question: Operation Rah-e-Rast was started by Pakistan Army in which of the following areas? Answer is Swat. Question: When the Supreme Court of Pakistan disqualified Yusuf Raza Gilani from the membership of National Assembly? Answer is 19th June 2012. Question. Former Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani was sentenced for dash seconds. Answer is 30. Question. Who became the caretaker Chief Minister of Punjab before the 2013 general elections? Answer is Najam Sethi. Question. The general election of 2013 were held on which of the following dates? Answer is 11th May. Question. Who became the Prime Minister of Pakistan after 2013 general elections? Answer is Nawaz Sharif. Please subscribe this channel and like and share the video.